Hello guys, and thanks for coming to my channel today, Inspired Aura Home Decor. And what I have for you guys today is something simple, part of inspiring you to stay focused on what matters most. And it's window treatments, curtains, how to hang them, mode of installation, nothing about height or width or what types of curtains to buy, but specifically how to hang them. And I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways today. Let's dive right in. So using this method, you'll be drilling into the wall, of course, making holes into the wall and using a wall anchor to ensure that your installation is strong. And if your rod is longer than, I think about 2 feet, then you'll need the middle wall anchor as well, as you see up there. And with the pros of this method, of course, is that it's strong, that your rods won't be falling off and you won't be having any issues. The cons of this, of course, is that it is not renter friendly, and once you have to take it off, you'll have to patch up the holes, and if you don't know how to do that, that can be a hassle. Unless, of course, you can learn anything from YouTube these days, and you can just go on there and patch up that tiny hole, as you see right there. The second method I wanted to show you guys is using the command hanging hooks to hang your curtains, which you see right here. I have one on this side, and then I have one on this side as well, and they come in different colors. The pros to this is that it's great if you're in an apartment and you can hang it on the walls. They're easy to come off. You just follow the instructions as to how to properly peel them off the wall, and it comes off nice and easy. I have this all around our apartment, and I know that it works really well. Especially if you follow the instructions, you'll be good to go. The cons for this, of course, are that one, you need to actually follow the instructions. It tells you to use a rubbing alcohol to clean the walls or the space that you'll be hanging it on, and then stick it onto the wall, put on the rod and make sure it's sitting properly, and then take it off and wait about 1 hour before you put your rod back onto the hooks. If you don't follow the instructions, then you can be sure that they will peel off your wall even bigger than a hole. Second thing is that they have weight restrictions. Make sure that your curtains actually match or are under the weight limit of the hooks. Otherwise, again, like I mentioned before, it'll come off and create a whole big repair that you have to do, which is, again, bigger than patching a wall, which is also not good for an apartment. So just make sure you look at the instructions. Third and final method I want to show you guys is a childproof method, and it works really well in your kids' room especially. The pros to this, again, is that it's nice and sturdy. You're not going to be worried about this falling off for any reason. It's good whether in an apartment or in your own home. You can see the bracket is nice and sturdy, and this allows you to nail the brackets straight onto the window pane or the window frame, and you can see that the rod is not going anywhere. I've had this for over a year now in the kids' rooms, and I have 3 curtains on this actually, so that this one can be an opaque curtain to block out light. But yes, you can see that it's nice and straight. The only cons to this is that with this you can't necessarily follow the rules of how you should hang a curtain, which is that you should have it outside of the windows on each side, framing your windows, of course, and not right on the window as you have it here. But then again, who can tell, right? I mean, again, this is only for your kids' room. It's not like you'll have it all over the house. When you do this way, it still looks nice overall, even though you're not necessarily following the proper rules of hanging a curtain and you don't have it above the window and also outside of the window, but it's still good. And overall, I hope these methods have helped you out. Hi you guys, thanks for staying till the end. Again, like I said, the first method involves you patching up holes, but if you know how to do that, then it's a good way to go. The second method, does not involve patching up any holes, and it's really a preferred method. You just have to make sure that your curtains are of the right weight and that it matches the command hook weight limit that they have on there. The third one, not necessarily good because again, it doesn't take into account the proper way you should hang curtains according to interior design. But for the safety of our kids, for those of us that have kids, it's a great way to go. And even though it doesn't take into account the proper interior design techniques, it still adds to the overall theme of the room, depending on the types of curtains that you get. So overall, I hope I've been able to help you out. If you have any questions regarding this, any more questions at all, please feel free to comment below, let me know, reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to continue to give you more content like this that inspires you to stay focused on what matters most and to help you know, hey, you can do it too. Till next time, bye.